Today we're going to go over some of the pros and cons for the Gimbal N6 Pro projector by XGODY. I want to thank them for sending this over to review on the channel. They're finding out what I think of this once they watch this video. Starting with the pros, if you're looking for a projector that is around $100, this one's actually pretty affordable at only $127 as of this video, but I'll leave a link down below with current pricing and more information. This projector has native 1080p resolution and is officially licensed by Netflix. It uses Whale OS for the software, so you can get other apps like Prime Video, YouTube, Disney Plus, and so on. If you don't want to use a streaming device, this one's already got it built in, so definitely a nice option to have. Now, the nice thing about the stand on here, you can actually flip the projector straight up towards the ceiling without having to use a tripod or a stack of books. You could even watch movies while laying down if you wanted to. This projector is rated at 700 ANZ lumens. At times I thought that the screen was a little too dark for certain things, but luckily they give you the option to make things brighter. You can also sharpen it. There's plenty of things to adjust to make the screen quality just how you like. It also has auto everything, so auto focus, auto keystone correction. It's got obstacle avoidance. When you move it left to right or up and down, it's gonna automatically square and sharpen the image within a few seconds. It also has dual band Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4, which means less lag when streaming and better stability when connecting external soundbars. Now, some of the cons for this projector, while it does have built-in streaming apps using Whale OS software, the app library is actually quite a bit smaller than standard Android TV or Roku, so you may still want to use a Fire Stick or other streaming device depending on which app that you're going to be using. The other side to having the 700 ANZ lumens is once you make the screen brighter, the fan's definitely going to be a little bit louder. Again, not necessarily a deal breaker, just something I thought I would point out. Despite the portable look to this projector, you still need to plug this into a wall or outlet, so just something to keep in mind if you're looking for something that's more portable. Hopefully this video helped you out if you're considering this projector by XGODY. I think overall it's a pretty good value, especially considering the price, but just like with all products, there's going to be some pros and some cons to consider.